10 to 1. Write a Python program to count the elements in a list until an element is topology. So to count the list, we have to count, you know how to count the elements in a list. So, but we want to stop when a tuple is there. Okay, in the list of elements. Okay, simple. Suppose take from the keyboard. Suppose take list is equal to eval function input. Okay, enter list elements. Okay, enter list. First enter list elements. Just print it here. Take count variable equal to 0. Okay, iterate through the list here. Okay, for I in list. For I in list, now we have to check the condition. Okay, now so there is a is instance function will be there. Is instance function returns a boolean type. So it takes two parameters. If is if I dot is instance, okay, is instance is there. Is takes two parameters. One is a iterable one I comma, and next one is checks the condition whether it is which data type it is. Okay, it iterates through each is instance function iterates through each element and it checks the data type. Okay, so if you mention here tuple in the second argument, so it returns true here, otherwise it returns false. Okay, we have to check here, okay, whether it is tuple or not. For that you have to use the is instance function here. Okay, so if it is true, count is equal to count plus one. So if it is true, it's break. Okay, we have to come out of the loop. No? Because the question is there, we have to come out of the loop. Okay, to come out of the loop, we have to use the break here and count here. Okay, count is equal to count plus one. That's it, and just count here. Okay, print count here, simple. I have to understand the question here. Write a Python program to count the elements in list until an element is a tuple. Okay, until an element is a tuple. Right. So execute it now. So check we will enter list values here. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma. So we are writing tuple here in list here. Suppose 1 comma 2 here. Okay, and also comma 5. Okay, so how many elements will be there? Here 3. You have to count it. I have to return now because until if it is through tuple, we have to break it. Okay, so it come out of the loop. Should come out of the loop there. In instance. I count of I dot is instance. Sorry, I count. Sorry, there is no we use here enter list here. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma enter tuple now 4 comma 5 comma 6. See 3 here, okay? Because whenever I iterates through this tuple, it has to take come out of the loop here. Okay? So simple. To check the which data type is the iterator, you have to use this instance function. Okay? So after iteration for loop, so it check the each element and it returns true if it is tuple. Okay, then if we break it. Okay,